Hey guys, welcome back. So today's episode is about how to use your cell phone in the GPS Cradle on any BMW motorcycle that is equipped with the GPS Cradle. These cell phone cradle or cell phone mount has been in the market. They are made by many manufacturers and they are very simple. Compression spring, and then so it can hold the cell phone. This one has two ports for USB, two USB ports. The way to place this cell phone cradle into the BMW is like so. So if we go over here, basically this we need to unlock this cell phone cradle by putting the key in and turn it counterclockwise. There is a safety lock in the back. We will pull it towards us or towards the left hand side, and there is push pin here. We'll push this pin, and all that is just to release this cover. We release this cover and we will get the cell phone cradle. The cell phone cradle has to contact these probes right here, right? And it's gonna go in one way. All right, here we go, and it's in. I'm gonna lock the safety pin so it doesn't take off by itself, and I'm gonna turn the lock into lock position so nobody can yank it and steal it. So on your cell phone, you need to have the BMW Motorrad connected application ready, and you need to register using a username and a password, right? And when you do so, you need to have your Bluetooth enabled on your cell phone, and then pair the cell phone with your TFT display. So press the knob here to turn the motorcycle into accessory mode. Give it a few seconds until the system boot up, and you can choose to pair your cell phone with the TFT display, which is here called ICC 6.5 inches, I believe. So I'm gonna wait until it is connected. Not give it a second, it will connect. All right, connected for calls and audio. Okay, we are good. So when the cell phone is connected, the BMW Motorrad connected application is as well connected with your motorcycle. It would knows it will start gathering information from your motorcycle, like what's your fuel tank. Like as you can see, 178 miles to the gas tank, and that's what the TFT is saying, right? And then it tells you as well when is your next service due date. If you click here, so the service due date is on the October 9th 2022, or 5,914 miles. One of the good feature in this application is when you go to the settings, you can download all the map that are provided, but that will take a lot of space. I would recommend that you would download the map based on where you live. For example, I live in Oregon state, so I downloaded Oregon and Washington because that's where usually I travel back and forth on my trips, right? And then the other good feature is trip settings. In the trip setting, if you choose enabled ride recording, every time you take off, and if your Bluetooth is enabled, the application would know that you are already took off, and will record your trip from point A to point B without doing anything. If you enable embed photo automatically, or basically save your photo automatically anywhere you stop and take a photo, they will be saved in the application as well. It will record the speed. Let me show you an example what the application can record. So I'm gonna go back here, rides. I have 88 rides. The last ride, for example, it gives you the name of the motorcycle, the date, the time, how long was the trip, 41 miles, 1 hour riding time, the speed, the average speed, the maximum temperature, low temperature, maximum altitude, minimum altitude, the performance, the max RPM, the max lean angle left and right, and the max acceleration G-force and the deceleration G-force. These are nice data to have. So these are in the rides. It gives you the weather as well, and the minute you do, basically, let's say I'm gonna navigate to somewhere. Let me pick coffee shop. let's go to Pete's Coffee. I like Pete's Coffee. So the minute I say go, right, it is gonna be in landscape portrait. But the minute I put the cell phone in the cradle, like so, and I take off, that screen is gonna turn into landscape. So don't worry, it is in portrait now, but don't worry about that. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time with a new content and a new topic.